So welcome back today to my channel. It is called Cyber Code and AI. So when you go, it is sometimes you fail to find my channel. It is like cyber, it is at cyber like this, cyber code and AI. So you write it as full art, you put that art on YouTube. Let me show you what you're supposed to do. Subscribe, we did a lot of videos, so if you want to get it quickly, but it is better to click on the notification bell here. You see this bell to allow, such that when I post a new video, you get a notification. Do not forget, guys, to subscribe, to like, to comment. We did another videos about JavaScript. So now we want to talk about cybersecurity, because our channel is Cyber Code and AI. So this is for especially for beginners. So today we are going to talk about what we call the get local user. This is the command. Try it, guys. Try it. Go to local, because once you understand this, you try this, you will get it in your head, you will understand better, you will be good in it. So try get local. I told you, user like that. This one, it lists users who access your computer, especially who have a guarantee or permission to access your computer. So in a certain world, when a hacker attempt to attack your machine, they tend to put what we call their login system, their login credentials on your machine, so that even if your machine is there, they can log in either remotely using their set password maybe, and they also, because for you can change a password and you cannot see, but they still access it, because we have what we call guest. Let me show you. We have, like here, my computer name is, this is the name that I use, Cyber Uganda. So I have true. Now I am the one who access. So we have on the computer, we have what we call the default account. It must be in the false, a user account managed by the system. If you find that your system is true, also that is suspicious, you need to turn it off. Another thing, you need to know the guest. If you have a guest built-in account for a guest access to the computer or domain, this one, it is used if you maybe you have your brother, then you make a two login so that he can, there is some apps that he can access, you know. This means that a guest, but for me I don't have it, is a false. Then we have system admin secure, it must be false for if you were system admin. So we have this one, also must be false. But if you try and then you find that you have true or guest, and you know, because if you find all of these are true and you never allowed it to be, that is dangerous. So you need to turn off. I'll show you how to turn off the get local user. You know, you need to turn off such that you are the only one that can access that computer. That is also another way to know how many people access, how many local users can access your computer. Right now I am the one, and this is my PC, Cyber Uganda. That is, I am safe. So try that, get local user on your machine. You will tell me. Another thing, we want to see what we call the host name. Also this one is essential. So you write host name like this, host name. So you see the name of your machine. So this is my host name. So if you write host name, if you write this and then you find two names or three names without knowing that, you need to be suspicious that someone accessed my machine, someone hacked my machine, if you are not the one allowed that permission. You get a point? So you need also to know this, the host name. We used it to list what is going on, which host that are using my PC. Like this one, get local user, we use this one to see how many people have access on my machine, especially that. I told you the default account must be in false true. This one must be false. If you find it that this one, like the default, it is a default account, it is true, you need to be suspicious because someone may have hacked your system without unknowing. You understand? So another thing, we can use this command clear. In another video, I'm going to show you a useful command that is a system info. So this system info as it is, system info as it is. This one, it view what we call a detailed system on your computer to see the system, the operating system, what kind of machine do you have. If you bought a new laptop and it is your first time, you don't understand the RAM, just open PowerShell, type this, you are going to see the details about your system. I don't want to show you the details because the thing that I used to record, it doesn't have blur, so that I don't want some people to see my system, because once someone knows your system, your IP, whatever, it's also easy to hack your system. So I will not review it, but try it. Type system info, you will see the RAM, the type of computer, the BIOS, the capacity, everything. Instead of going here to type this PC, if you are new and you want to check the computer at a high speed or to know the details, you can use this one, system info. Actually, today this is the video, guys. Subscribe, like to support the channel. So another we are going to check on other videos about how to use PowerShell. This one is not only for cybersecurity. Also, it is this one, like this command system info. It is not only for the cybersecurity, because you may not be concerned in cybersecurity, to learn cybersecurity or to become a hacker, whatever, but you want to know what kind of system that I have on my laptop, on my computer, on my system. So you try to write that system info. You will see the information about your machine. Read it. So guys, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share to grow the channel. Click on the notification bell. We shall see you next time.